Now we are discussing the simple numerical problems which is related to the motion in a plane. A body travels from A to B. Suppose this is my object. From this is point A and now this is point B. There are 2 points, point A and point B. A body travels from A to B. A body is traveling from A to B. A body is traveling from A to B. If anything is not given in the problem, then we can consider the path will be straight line first. A body is traveling from A to B with a speed speed v1 speed is equal to 40 meter per second. This is the speed. And B to A, and when the body is moving from B to A, the speed of V to H 60 meter per second. Clear? Now we have to calculate the value of average speed. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the value of average speed. What is the basic formula for the average speed? Total distance upon total time. This is the basic formula we have to use for the average speed. What is the total distance? How we can calculate the total distance? If a particle is moving from A to B and after that B to A, what is the total distance travel? AB plus BA. It means AB plus BA divided by total time. Suppose this is T. Yani 2 times of AB. Here mod of AB is equal to mod of BA. Here 2 times of AB divided by total time. Here we consider time taking from B to A is T1 and B to A is T2. The total time will be T1 plus T2. When a particle is moving from A to B, the time taking from T1 and B to A, this time taking T2. The total time will be T1 plus T2 is equal to 2AB upon, what is the value of T1? Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. We are applying from A to B. Distance, what is the distance? AB is equal to, what is the speed? 40 into what is the time? T1. Here time T1 is equal to AB by 40. This is T1. What is the value of T1? AB divided by 40 plus. And here we calculate when the particle is moving from B to A. It means distance is equal to speed into time. This is the basic formula. What is the distance? B to A. This means speed is equal to 60 meter per second. Time will be T2. What is the value of T2? VA upon 60. It means why the VA is equal to AB, it means AB upon 60. Now we can calculate 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 40 plus 60. This is the average speed. This means 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 100. This 48 meter per second. This is the average speed. When a particle moving from A to B and B to A, the total time is T1 plus T2. Total distance is 2 times of AB. We calculate the distances and time and place the value of here. The net value of the average speed should be 48 meter per second. Now we can calculate, this is the average speed. Now we can calculate the average velocity. Average velocity. How we can the average velocity? Total displacement upon time. Total displacement upon total time. Now how we can calculate the total distance? When a particle moving from A to B and B to A, total distance is 0, total displacement should be 0, and total time will be t. Now the average speed will be, because the particle is starting from here and come after the, after it traveling a distance, a particle come again, the initial and final point will be same, the net displacement will be 0, and net displacement is 0, it means average velocity is also 0.